Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn pair of linear equations in two variables of 10th standard exercise 3.5. Fourth problem in that small 4. Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. There are two places A and B which are 100 kilometers apart which they are on the highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. Both cars starts from their places at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. The problem is like that there are two places A and B. They are 100 kilometers apart. Two cars starts one car from A and the another car from B. They both the cars are traveling in the same direction. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. Let's check first this sentences, then I will explain all the three sentences. Here let's take the speed of A and B as x and y. Let's see the speed of first car be x kilometer per hour and the speed of the second car is taken as y kilometer per hour. It is clearly given that there are two cars. First car starts from place A and the second car starts from place B. So the speed of first car is x kilometer per hour and the speed of second car is y kilometer per hour. It is taken because the final question is what are the speeds of the two cars. So I just take like this. Case 1, if the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. So case 1, when the car travels in the same direction. Let's take it is place A and it is place B. First car starts from A and the second car starts from B. It is the highway. It is the highway which are 100 kilometers apart. The first car starts from A and the second car starts from B, and it is clearly given that the cars travels in the same direction. Cars travel in the same direction. It means this first car starts in this direction and the second car is also moving in the same direction. Then they meet in 5 hours. So let's take place C, the car, first car and the second car. First car starts from A, second car starts from B, and if they move for 5 hours, please, they meet at place C. So clearly given that they meet in 5 hours. So let's take first car and second car meet at place C. So both the cars meet at point C after 5 hours. The first car starts from A and the second car starts from B. Both are traveling in the same direction. They are traveling in different speeds and both meet at C after 5 hours. Observe this figure. Car first starts from place A, car second starts from B, which are 100 kilometers apart, and both the cars are traveling in the same direction. As given in the problem, both the cars traveling in different speeds and after 5 hours meet at point C. So both cars meet at point C after 5 hours. So first car travels from A to C and the second car travels from B to C. So I wrote the same thing here. Distance traveled by first car from point A. First car starts from here. So the distance traveled is A to C. In the same way, distance traveled by second car. The second car starts from point B. So distance traveled should be B to C. So it is clear from the figure that first car starts from A and it travels 100 kilometers to reach the point B, and both cars meet at C. It means first car travels more distance than second car because it has to travel 100 kilometers first to reach B, and then both cars meet at C. It means it is clear that first car travels 100 kilometers more than B. So I written the same thing. It is clear that first car travels more distance than second car, that is 100 kilometers. So first car, the speed of the first car is taken as x kilometer per hour at the starting line. So the total time taken by first car to reach at point C, it is 5 hours. So we can take distance traveled becomes speed into time. Speed into time, what is speed? X time 5, that is 5x kilometer. It is a first car. Similarly, now second car, its speed is y kilometer per hour, and the time is also 5 hours. Now distance equals speed into time. What is speed? Y. Time is 5, that is 5y kilometer. So the distance traveled by first car is 5x kilometers, and distance traveled by second car is 5y kilometers. So the distance traveled by first car is 5x kilometers, and of the second car is 5y kilometers. We well know that the first car travels 100 kilometers more than second car. So first car travels 100 kilometers more than the second car. So the equation is first car distance 5x, and the second car distance is 5y. 5x is traveling distance is more than second car, so 5x minus 5y. The difference between the first car and the second car distance is 100 kilometers. So simplify this, divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. Take it as equation 1. So we form this equation by reading the half of the problem. Let's see the other 3 lines of the problem now. Now look at the remaining sentences. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. It means if both the cars travels each other, it means they starts from the same point, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? So this is these lines helps to form the second equation. Let's see. Now the case second, when the cars travel each other, it means in different directions. So in the first case the cars are traveling in the same direction, but in the second case the cars are traveling in different directions. It is place A, it is place B. First car travels in this direction and the second car travels in this direction. It is moving this side and this car is moving this side. Both meet at point C in 1 hour. The difference between the two places are 100 kilometers, as we know that. So when the car travels in different direction, they meet in 1 hour at C. So first car, its speed is x kilometer per hour. Now the time taken as per second case is 1 hour. So distance equals speed into time. The speed is x, time is 1, x1 is x kilometer. In the same way, now look at the second car. Speed y kilometer per hour. The time is 1 hour. Distance equals speed into time. Speed is y, time is 1. So y kilometer is the distance traveled by second car. Now form the second, let's form the second equation. The difference, the distance of so as per question, first car moves in this direction, second car moves in this direction. So this plus this both becomes 100 kilometers. So distance traveled by first car is x plus distance traveled by second car is y. So if we add together, the distance is equal to 100 kilometers. Take it as equation 2. Now let's simplify equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 is x minus y equals 20. Second equation is x plus y equals 100. Plus y minus y get cancel. It is plus x plus x. 2x equals 120. Then x equals 120 by 2. 2 ones 2 6 0. X equals 60. So similarly, let's find the answer for y. X minus y equals 20. X means 60 minus y equals 20. 60, bring 20 here, or you can do in this way also. Minus y as it is. 20, bring 60 here. Minus 60. Minus y equals plus 20 minus 60, that is minus 40. Minus minus get cancelled. Y equals 40. So it means the speed of first car is 60 kilometers per hour and the speed of the second car is 40 kilometers per hour. Therefore the speed of first car, that is x, 60 kilometers per hour, and the speed of the second car y equals 40 kilometers per hour. This is the answer. Let's see the fifth problem. The area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. Here the length and the breadth of the units are increased and decreased. It is given in the problem. Let's see once again. The area of the rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. The area is reduced when the length is reduced by 5 units and the breadth is increased by 3 units. Let's take length as x and breadth of the rectangle as y. Let the length of rectangle be x unit and the breadth of the rectangle is y unit. We well know the formula for area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equals length into breadth. So length is x, breadth is y. So x into y, xy, it is the area. Now let's frame the equation. As per question, what it is given, the area of the rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units. Length is reduced by 5 units. What is length? X reduced by 5 units. So I will take length x reduced by 5 units. So length into breadth. So and the breadth is increased by 3 units. What is breadth? Y. Increased by 3 units means y plus 3 equals length into breadth equals area. The area of the rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. What is the area? Xy. Reduced by 9 units means minus 9. Let's simplify this. This into this. It means x into full y plus 3, then minus 5 into y plus 3 equals xy minus 9. X into y, xy plus x into 3, 3x minus into plus minus 5 into y, 5y minus into plus minus 5 3 is 15 equals xy minus 9. Then let's simplify this. 3x minus 5y 15 we can do in this way also. Xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 15, bring this here, minus xy plus 9 equals 0. Now plus xy minus xy get cancelled. Then 3x as it is, minus 5y as it is, minus 15 plus 9, that is minus 6 equals 0. Then bring 6 there, it means 3x minus 5y. If we bring 6 here, it is 6. Take it as equation 1. Now we will read the second sentences here. If we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, both length and breadth are it means x plus 3, it is x plus 2. The area is also increased by 67 square units. Let's frame the equation for this now. So as per the second line's second case, length is increased by 3, that is x plus 3, and the breadth is increased by 2, that is y plus 2. So area is also increased by 67 units, that is xy plus 67. Let's simplify this. X into y plus 2 plus 3 into y plus 2 equals xy plus 67. X into y, xy, x into 2, 2x plus in 3y plus 3 2s 6 equals xy plus 67. Now xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6, bring here, minus xy minus 67 equals 0, plus xy minus xy get cancelled, 2x as it is plus 3y plus 6 minus 67, that is minus 61. Take it as equation 2. Now simplify equation 1 and equation 2. The first equation is 3x minus 5y equals 6, and the second equation is 2x plus 3y. Make it as 2x plus 3y, bring 61 here, it becomes plus 61, and it is equation 2. So 61. Now if we check first equation and second equation, there is no possibility of any cancellation here. So let's do into 2. Second equation first number to the first equation, and the first number of the first equation to the second equation. So this 2 here and this 3 here. Now multiply. 3 2s 6x minus 5 2s 10y equals 6 2s 12. 3 2s 6x plus 3 3s 9y equals 61. 3s 3 1s 3, 183. Now let's change the signs. This plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, and this plus becomes minus. Plus 6x minus 6x get cancelled, minus 10 minus 9, both are like signs, so it is minus 19y. Then plus 12 minus 183, we have to subtract to the 12. So 183 plus 12 minus 183, that is minus 171. Then y equals minus 171 by minus 19. Minus minus get cancelled. 19 ones are 19 nines. So y equals 9. Now let's find the answer for x by taking any one of the equation. I will take the first one itself. 3x minus 5y equals 6. 3x minus 5, y means 9 equals 6. 3x minus 5 nines 45 equals 6. 3x equals 6. If it becomes plus 45, then 3x equals 6 plus 45, 51. X equals 51 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3, 2 remains. 3 sevens are 21. X equals 17. So here we got y as 9 and x as 17. So it is the length and it is the breadth. So the dimension is length of the rectangle x equals 17 units and the breadth of the rectangle y equals 9 units. This is the answer.